In today's video, guys, I'm actually excited because I forgot, for the past few hours ago, that today is the IDO of Adamant Coin. So I've made an interview before about their CEO and about their game, so make sure to check this one out. I'm also going to put it into the right side of the screen, and also do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates, guys. I'm always creating valuable content for you guys, so please do not miss this one out. Okay, so for us to be able to buy Adamant Coin, let's go into the phase 1 IDO pre-sale, and then let's go here. Okay, so when you are inside this platform, you need to connect your wallet first. Okay, so you have a choice whether you are going to connect your Coinbase, your MetaMask, or your token pocket. Whatever you want, you can do it directly here. So in my case, I'm just going to connect my my BSC mainnet. So let's try to buy one. So let's buy 0.5 BNB, and I'm going to get 50 million AdMC tokens. So the exchange proportion is 1 BNB for 100 million AdMC, and there's only 235.56 BNB left. I'm actually what do you call that? Blessed, because I will be able to buy AdMC, even though I do have already like 225 million into my assets. So it's just a really good news for me, because this price right here, you won't be able to get it anymore after they launch their token into September 20. So this won't happen anymore, and that is why I'm buying 0.5 BNB. And for you to be able to buy, just click this button, okay? And then there will be a MetaMask notification which says buy tokens. So this is just a gas fee, it's just really small amount, and then just click the confirm. Okay, so we've already submitted the transaction, and actually that's really awesome. So it says transaction 1 to 59 confirm. Okay, okay. So I guess I already got it. I already got it. So I got my money has been what do you call that, reduced. But also this is like the AdMC, so you will be receiving it soon. And yeah, I think I'm also going to buy more. Okay, I'm going to buy more, because why not? Okay, why not? So let's buy more. Okay, let's buy more tokens. I just really feel that this is the best time for us to buy. Okay, so I'm going to buy another 0.5 BNB for our case as well. So let's click this part right here, and then of course just click the confirm transaction, and it says transaction submitted. So do not forget to add this into the MetaMask. So that's how easy it is for you to be able. So this is also token locked. So just take in mind that it is locked for 28 days, but it doesn't matter, because I mean we can expect more updates and more people that are going to adopt into this. And also who knows, man, maybe we will be able to get maybe 0 times 10 times 20 of this coin, and we can't actually miss this one out. Okay, so you see here, this is the claim time. So the claim time is October 11, October 11 at 17 R. Okay, so 28 lock days, but I don't, doesn't matter. What matters here is that I have already the coin, and I will be able to hoard more. And also, I mean, let's expect the good news into this part right here. So so I think that's pretty much it, guys. I've already spent some of my money. I've already bought 1 BNB tokens. So currently I am looking for around what do you call that? How many AdMCs do I have right now? I think I'm having around 325 million AdMC tokens. And if you're going to look into this part right here, okay, this will actually launch. Okay, at PancakeSwap. Okay, into the public initial price is 0.012 BNB per 1M AdMC. So just imagine that, guys. So 0.12 BNB, so 0.12, okay, times 100. I'm not sure if it is 100. So it's 0.12 BNB. So for what do you call that? For 100 M AdMC, you now need 1.2 BNB. So from that case, you've already earned 20% of your money. Of course, this is not a financial advice, but of course, let's take in mind that this kind of pre-sales are really good for those people, for those investors who want to like to hoard more and also be able to sell it if they want to into the higher price, because pre-sales are just once in a lifetime scenario for every coins. And if you're going to look into this kind of projects that is already docs, that is already been going on, and it has been like a lot of people are adopting into this game, and it's also enjoyable, and there's a lot of people that are talking into this, then probably you know what's going to happen in the next few weeks to come. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.